This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, TV, leveling jacks, external shower, awning, refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, oven, skylight, stovetop burner, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is 6,386 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.